What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Sun because this coin is for the past couple of days pumping absolutely like crazy, and in this video I will tell you if I think that this coin is gonna continue with its pump, because you can see in the long time perspective the current all-time high is on really high levels. So right now we have here really huge potential for another move up. And yeah, in this video I will show you the exact setups that I'm currently watching on this coin, and if also certain conditions are met, I'm planning to open here some trading positions. So if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame, which is actually the main chart that you need to be watching right now, because you can see here after a breakout and then support confirmation of this really perfect falling wedge, we had here a huge pump, and this pump was around like almost 200% of a net market, something like that. And right now we are testing this massive bearish order block, which is between level 0.05565 and 0.02909. So you can see that the bearish order block itself is having let's say almost 100% of a net market. Of course, this is a different situation, so in this case I am not waiting here for a breakout and then support confirmation of this area, but I want to see here a support confirmation in this area. So we need to break this current high and then do support confirmation on a daily time frame in this bearish order block, and if this condition is met, I think that this can be like a first good opportunity for a long trade. You can see that here on that daily time frame we don't have that high that this chart is showing you on a weekly one. So you can see that if we are gonna break this bearish order block and there will be a support confirmation, we are gonna attack a new all-time high, which means we will get into a price discovery phase where historically we don't have any important support or resistances. So for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. Also, I hope I don't have to say that, but opening some trading position on this coin right now is really risky, because we have here really huge volume, and you can see, for example, like 1 4-hour candle, for example, here had like 15%. For example, this 4-hour candle, if I will show you, this 4-hour candle had like 70%. So yeah, this coin right now is really volatile, but this also means that we can do here a huge profit. But let's now take a look on this bearish order block. As I said, I want to see here a support confirmation somewhere in this area, and stop loss in this case you want to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be again breakdown and then a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And your last take profit target you probably want to place above this bearish order block, because if we are gonna take the liquidity above, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability of a potential liquidity grab, so the price can do, for example, something like this. In a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you can definitely take, let's say, somewhere around this area, then for example under this highs, then for example somewhere in this area, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 10, the risk reward ratio will be, I don't know, like 7.5, something like that. But another really important thing is where actually we will have that support confirmation, because if the support confirmation will, for example, happen somewhere in this area, then the setup is definitely invalid, because yeah, you simply don't want to have risk reward ratio 2 for a risky trade like this, so you also need to pay attention for that. But of course, the closer we will get the support confirmation to the slower line of this bearish order block, the better potential risk to reward we will have here. And if you are looking here for some trades on a lower time frame, then if I will, for example, switch to like a 1-hour chart, you can see that we don't have here any important bullish order blocks, even like on a 30-minute chart. And if I will switch to a 15-minute chart, yeah, we have here like this bullish order block, which is between level 0.01517 and 0.01508. But for me, this is definitely not a support area or like a bullish order block that I wanna trade. So the only, let's say, scenario in which I will be opening a long position from a bullish order block is if we are gonna test this lower bullish order block, which is between level 0.08 and 0.0810, something like that. And of course there needs to be a liquidity grip, which means that we will take a liquidity under this area, and then we will have here a support confirmation. And this can be actually really amazing opportunity for a long trade, because stop loss you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit targets you can feel free to put, for example, under this previous high, which can give you a trade with risk reward ratio up to 32. But right now, like, the price, let's say, needs to drop around like 65% to actually reach this bullish order block. So in my opinion, there is actually really small probability that we will like gonna test this area. But if we will, and I'm saying that this can be really great opportunity. But hey guys, if I will show you again that weekly time frame, then you can see that if we will, let's say, keep this absolutely insane bullish volume, there is pretty high probability that this coin can do another really huge pump. And I'm not hesitating to say that we can, for example, do like 10x from this area, something like that. But of course this will depend more on a fundamental, not technical analysis. So if you want to buy this coin to your long-term portfolio, then you definitely want to do a fundamental analysis, because from this chart that you simply can't predict that 10x, which will be, I don't know, something like 0.25668, something like that, which you can see it's still under this weekly candle. But yeah, this will be all for me for today, guys. If you like this video, I will be really happy if you hit the like and subscribe button. We are almost on a 3k subs. I really want to thank you for that. And if you, for example, want to help with trading, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing this analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.